So today we are going to see how you can connect your WhatsApp with your Hermes AI agent. It's a self-improving AI agent running on your server 24 by 7. Just to be clear, it's not a chatbot, it's an AI agent that learn. So let's first understand what's the difference between a chatbot and an employee which will be creating. You all might be using ChatGPT, Claude and other LLMs tool. They are brilliant in the session. Like whatever chatting you are doing, they're brilliant in that. Whatever you say, they will write it. Let's say for example, you told him to draft me a mail, but the moment you end the chat and start a new chat or start a new session, it will forget like how you write your own mail. Same thing for the N8N agent. We create amazing workflows and everything, but they are rule driven. They never adapt for what you say. But the Hermes is different. Hermes takes notes, create a playbook from your own feedback of whatever you are saying, and then it uses automatically the next time you ask to do the same task. Now let's understand how does Hermes get smarter over time. So let's say you give it a task like a draft a follow-up message. Then you give it a feedback like I want the follow-up message to be concise within a 3 steps. Then you give it a feedback. I want this particular draft concise and within 3 lines. Now Hermes create a particular skill and then store it under a particular folder. Now next time whenever you say any kind of a task regarding drafting a follow-up message, it remembers what you said the last time and then it create accordingly. So now you might be thinking, what are skills? So skills are nothing but it's a mini SOP for your agent. So skills are very important in today's world. Claude skill, you can use the skill inside a cursor, anti-gravity, whatever AI agent you're using, skill are relevant over there. So skills are like a consultant who has a particular amount of experience and know how to do the stuff. So you hire them to do the work which you want. For example, creating a PPT. This PPT which you are seeing right now has been made from a custom skill which I have made. So I have a proper script which I have written. From that particular script, this whole PPT has been written. So whenever in the future I want to create any kind of a PPT, I don't create it manually. I have my skill developed which consumes the script which I have made and create me a perfectly written PPT over here. And this is the particular website of the Hermes skill. So there are so many skills which you can create, like architectural skill. Then we have the Hermes agent. Then Excel draw skill are there. Then the GitHub issue skill, Spotify skill. There are so many skills and these are not limited only to this. You can create your own custom skills. So now let's understand, when does the Hermes create a skill? There are multiple scenarios. First, if there is some complex multi-step task detected. So Hermes understand that this particular task which user has told me to do, there are multiple steps involved over here. So let me create a skill for this. So the next time when the user asks me to do the similar task, I can use this particular skill. Second is when you created the agent. You told agent to do some particular work. Now agent brought his work, but you want some correction in that. So you gave him the correction. So the agent came to know that this is a particular style in which the user wants that particular task. So let me create a skill so that when the same task comes, I can use a particular skill. Second and third belongs to the same particular path. And the fourth is kind of a non-obvious workflow found. So agent discovered a better path and they saved it in automatically. Now over the WhatsApp, what all tasks you can do? There are multiple things you can do over the WhatsApp. Let's see some of the use cases. Something is like draft a follow-up for Ravi. So the agent will go and draft the particular message. It can summarize the yesterday doc. So there might be some kind of a document you might have given to the agent. That particular agent will save the particular doc into the system. And then today you can say that please summarize the particular yesterday doc. So it will remember what kind of a doc you were talking about and it will summarize it. Then it can send you a weekly report. It can set up a cron job as well. So you want to have a reminder every Friday at 3 p.m. to do certain kind of a task. So Hermes can create the particular cron job into its system and every Friday at 3 p.m. you will get a task. It's not just for Friday, it could be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, any particular amount of time you can set the cron job. So now let's start with the setup part of how you can connect your WhatsApp with the Hermes. Before that, there are 4 things we would require. Okay. First is a hostinger kind of VPS. So I'll be telling you why VPS and not your local server. So Hermes are something which lives in your server. So if you want to connect your WhatsApp with your Hermes, you can do with your local system. No problem in that. But you need to keep your local system on 24 by 7 if you want it connected. So you can use the server. I am using Hostinger for past 2 years. Earlier I used to use it for N8N. Now I use the same N8N server for my VPS. Because the VPS can do anything. It can host your N8N, it can host your this Hermes, it can host your website, anything you want to do. So there is a link in the description. Click on that. You will come onto this particular page. Then you can choose the plan. I'm using KVM2, which is perfectly fine. And it is so cheap. And I also, on top of this, I'll be giving you some more discount. Click on deploy. Now you can see multiple months over here. There is a 24 month, 12 month. And then if you come to the coupon code, write Lakshit 20 and you will get additional 20% off. This is applied on the 24-month and 12-month. And on top of that, you will be getting your own domain name and also the domain protection privacy. Once it is done, you can continue and do the payment, and then you would be in some similar kind of a page. Then on the left hand side, you can see there's a VPS. Click on that. By default, one of the VPS might have been installed. Click on manage. Now I can click on document manager. And now I have Hermes running. So by default, the Hermes might have been installed for you, and it might ask you for the username and password. Please remember the username and password, and you can click on the open and paste the username and password. But I was facing a problem that I was entering the username and password which I used over there, but it's not working. So what you can do, you click on a three dot, you can delete it completely. Okay, once it is deleted, so in the left hand side you can see this catalog. Click on catalog, search Hermes, and you can select this particular part and you can install it again. Then again it will ask you to enter the username and password. Then again you will be seeing this particular Hermes project running over here. Then you can click on open, and then you can enter the new username and password. It will work perfectly fine. And if you are the user like me who forget things, and if you forget the username and password, don't worry. You can click on manage. Now if you scroll to the bottom, you will be seeing the environment over here. Now you can change your username and password from here and it will work perfectly fine. So now let me give you a demo. Let me do one thing. I already have connected my WhatsApp, but I want to do everything from scratch. So I'll be doing it with you. So I'll be deleting it in front of you. So as you can see, the project has been deleted. Now we'll go over here in catalog, search for Hermes, select it. And now there is a username and password. So I want my own custom password. So I'll keep my username as Hermes, but if you want, you can change it. Then I click on deploy. Now my project is getting deployed. Now it will take some time. After that, the status should look like running. So let's wait for it. So now as you can see, the status is running. So let me click on open. Now it's asking for us a username and password. Once you entered it, click on sign in. And now we are inside this particular terminal. So let me zoom in so you can see it properly. So now there are two options, quick setup and full setup. So I'll be going for a quick setup. So I'll click on enter. Now it's asking us to select the provider. Okay, so there are multiple providers over here. We have the Open Router, Anthropic, OpenAI, Minimax, Kimi, all the models. But I'll be going for the Open Router because with the one API, I can get so many different providers. If you don't know how to work with Open Router, just go on openrouter.ai, do the login, then on the click on credit, add some kind of a credits over here. Okay, then click on API key. Now create a new API key, then you're good to go. So I have created one API key over here, but I'll create new one. Click on create and now copy it. Now we'll click on the Open Router. Enter. Now it's asking us to enter the Open Router API key. So I'll enter it. Don't worry, it won't be visible, but it has been entered. Now you can click on enter and you can see the API key has been saved. Now it is asking us to select the model which you want to use. So I'll be going for a cheap option right now, which is kind of a Cloud Haiku 4.5, which is comparatively cheap from the other two models of Sonnet and Opus, but give us the good output. So I'll click on enter. And now it's asking us to connect the messaging platform. So yes, we'll be connecting it. Okay. So set up messaging now. So it is asking which platform you want to connect. So there are too many options over here. So for now, we'll be connecting the WhatsApp. So we click on WhatsApp and then click on yes. And don't worry, it's very normal over here. They ask us to choose the model, but they never go for the particular route. So I'll be telling you how to go over there. But first, we are connected with the Hermes and we can see the model has been selected. And you can change the provider any point of time. You can change the model any point of time. So don't worry about that. So first let's test, is everything working? So we can write hey. And as you can see, we got the output over here. Hey, I'm Hermes agent. How can I help you today? So it means everything is working perfectly fine. So now what we'll do, we'll press the Control C. It's same on both Windows and Mac. So Control C. So we are out of that. So as you can see, now it's Hermes written. So if by pressing Control C, it didn't work, don't worry, press enter. And then again, you will be seeing this particular screen. Then again, press the Control C. Okay. So now we are in Hermes over here. So now what we'll do, we'll write Hermes WhatsApp. So now it is asking us two options. Do you want to go with a separate bot number or kind of a personal number? So now this is the official page of the Hermes documentation. So now one thing to note over here, and please be cautious of this. We are going to connect the Hermes with the WhatsApp by unofficial way. Okay. And there are two ways which we can see, there is separate bot number and the personal self chat. So I would recommend you take a different number for this particular part and connect with this thing. Okay. So as they are saying, dedicate a phone number to this particular bot. Okay. So the people message that number directly. So I would be going with this particular number option only. Don't go with the personal number which you're using in the WhatsApp and connect with that directly. Okay. There is a very less chance of getting banned if you misbehave it. So I will tell you what are the different misbehave people do using which they get banned. Okay. So I'll be coming to that. So now let's go to the terminal and we'll be going with the option number 1, separate bot number. Now it's asking who all should be allowed to message this particular bot. So since I have a separate number, so I won't allow everyone, because if you want to allow everyone, you can press star over here. Otherwise you can write a dedicated number who will be allowed to message you. Okay, and this also setting also you can change any point of time. So for now, let me add one of the number. So I have added the number over here. Okay, and I'll press enter, and now as you can see, it is giving us the QR code using which we can scan and we can kind of connect our phone number. So let's do one thing. Let's using the phone, let's scan it. So it's currently getting scanned, as you can see. So now as you can see, the scan has been completed, and now it is asking us to enter the name for this particular bot. So let's give some kind of a name. So I have given the name, and now my number has been connected properly. So now in the linked device, as you can see, we have one of the agent which is called as Hermes Hostinger, which I gave the name. Okay, now if I send a message from here, so I won't be getting any kind of a reply over here because the gateway is not running right now. Okay, and this all are the messages from the previous conversation which I did to test, and it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so as you can see, the message is not coming. So what we can do, so we need to run this particular command, Hermes gateway, and now the gateway is running perfectly. So now if you come and write hey over here, and we got the proper response over here. Now to test everything is working perfectly fine or not, we have sent a particular message to draft a mail for the client proposal. Okay, instead of just writing the mail, it is asking a proper information first, and I gave some kind of a vague information, and it has given us the proper draft mail. So as you can see, there is a proper draft mail over here. So let's do one thing. Let's try to do a best regard. Always remember that the best regard name will be Lakshit. So now we are telling that always the best regard name will be Lakshit. So now the best thing about Hermes is that it always tell what he is doing. So it has updated the memory that now whenever we want to write any kind of a mail in future, it will always remember that the best regard name should always be Lakshit. Okay, that's the power of Hermes. It learns from what you say. So now we have the proper mail over here. Okay, and now there are so many different things which you can do inside Hermes. If you want to know what all things you can do, let me know in the comment box so I can make a dedicated video for that. So now there are 4 rules before you share your kind of a number. You should have your own dedicated phone number, as I told earlier. Okay, and no outbound blast. Please do not do this thing. Do not tell Hermes to outbound your any kind of a message to multiple people out there. Meta will detect this thing and it will ban your number permanently. Now, the third thing is the lock access control. Default to kind of WhatsApp allowed user is kind of your number. You can keep it open and allow all the user to message you, provided they message you first. Okay, like you're building a customer service support bot, such kind of a thing you can build completely fine with the Hermes. And also one more thing, your session is always persistent. As I told you earlier, if you disconnect your number right now, the next time again you connect your WhatsApp via Hermes, your number will be staying connected. Let me tell you what do I mean by that. If I control C over here, okay, my session is disconnected. If I write any kind of a message over here, I won't be getting any kind of a reply. And now if I want to connect again, so I can write Hermes WhatsApp. Now it will ask me the same thing over here, that this was the allowed user. Do you want to change it or not? So I don't want to change it. So I'll write no, and it is asking repair. This will clear the existing session. It is asking, do you want to connect any other phone number or again you repair your session? So no, I want to use the same WhatsApp session. So I can write again N over here. So now my same again session is connected. So now what can I do? I can again write Hermes gateway, and now my same phone number is connected over here. And there are so many built-in capabilities which are there, which works without any extra setup. You can send a message in the voice note. It transcribes automatically via Whisper. It replies you as I told you, whatever thing it does. It is a cron schedule proactive WhatsApp message. So if you want to schedule any kind of a message or task in the future, it can do it perfectly fine. And there are so many skill by default inbuilt into it, and you can create your own skill on top of it. So this is the full stack glance at once. So we have a Hermes agent, which is the brain, which is a self-improving AI running 24/7 on your VPS, learning from your every interaction. We have a skill system which is there by default, and for the model part we are using open router, but you can use any kind of a model you want to use. Okay, then we have the Bailey bridge, which it is used to connect the Hermes with the WhatsApp. Then we have the Hostinger KVM plan. Do use it because your Hermes will run 24/7. If you don't use for Hermes, you can use it for N10 or for your website hosting. And then we have the Hermes gateway, which starts the interaction between your WhatsApp and Hermes. So just a final note before leaving, it only compound if it's always on. because if your server is not on 24/7, you won't be able to interact it, and then the self-compounding won't work. The self-improving loop only works if Hermes never goes offline. That's why VPS and persistent session matter. Train it once through your normal WhatsApp use and handle the same class of tasks better every time after. Gateway skill WhatsApp, simple, private, and it compounds. So I hope you like this particular video of how we connected the Hermes with WhatsApp and some extra information on top of it. If you want to learn more and deep dive into this thing, let me know in the comment box. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.